The reading habit. Buffett's #1 secret to success. Warren Buffett once said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." But here's the surprising part. His learning habit isn't complex or secretive. It's something simple that anyone can do. Reading. Buffett spends up to 80% of his day reading, a habit he's followed for decades. Even now, at over 90 years old, he still reads for hours daily. Why? Because knowledge compounds, just like money. The more you know, the better decisions you make, and better decisions lead to bigger success. When Buffett started his investing journey, he didn't have access to inside information or special resources. He had books. He read financial reports, biographies, newspapers, and investment strategies until he understood businesses better than most CEOs. He wasn't gambling on stocks. He was making educated bets based on deep knowledge. And this principle applies to any field. Whether you want to be a better entrepreneur, artist, or athlete, success comes from absorbing knowledge and applying it. Most people complain that they don't have time to read. But here's the truth. Buffett, a billionaire managing billions of dollars, still makes time to read. If he can, so can you. Start with just 10 pages a day. Over a year, that's 3,650 pages, roughly 12 to 15 books. That small habit will change your thinking, improve decision-making, and give you an advantage over 99% of people who stop learning after school. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't talent. It's how much they learn. Buffett treats knowledge as an investment, with each book being a deposit into his future success. He believes that the best asset you can invest in is yourself, because unlike money, no one can take knowledge away from you. So ask yourself, when was the last time you read something that could change your life? If you want to think like a billionaire, start by reading like one.